Hey guys, I'm gonna do my first unboxing video with, I'm gonna do it with my iPhone, but I'm gonna do it on an HP Webcam HD-3100. I just picked this up from Walmart, and it was $30. This was on clearance. And I'm gonna start doing my videos with this because I've been doing it with my iPhone, and it's a hassle. So I'm gonna do it on this. This was like number 2 on the best webcams, I guess. I looked it up and yeah, it was number 2. It was only $30, so it's really cheap. Alright. Yeah, I'm using my Cobalt razor blade. It's an amazing blade. Alright. That doesn't open. Okay. Oops. Shit, my bad. Cords or something. Here's this. I don't know what the fuck this is. It's like the warranty or something. I also got the warranty from Walmart that's like covers the thing 1 year after the manufacturer's warranty when it goes out. And it comes with software. This is the guide. It's pretty easy. Yeah, okay. Now let's look at the thing itself. If I can get this open. Jesus. Okay. So, I gotta take this out. The fuck? Okay, shit I don't need. So here you go. There's tabs on the side. That's the camera tab, the front, or the share, I don't know what the fuck that is. That's the video tab. Records in 720, HD 720p. What the fuck that means, I don't know. I don't know that much about it. Looks really nice, the USB. Yeah. It's got a glass lens. Alright, well, now that I can actually do videos about my iPod, or my iPhone, I'm going to start doing them. Because I couldn't do them before because I was recording everything with my iPhone. Alright guys, comment, feel free to subscribe. And I'll be probably doing a review on this, because it's really nice. Alright, bye.